how to manage disable when in meeting on Zoom mobile first. First let's go to Zoom and then just click this 3 points here, click on it and then click this one here, chat, to go to the setting of chat. And now just go down and you'll find this one here, this one, disable when in meeting. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see, disable when in meeting has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's how manage disable when in meeting on the mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.